Hello and welcome back to Codecademy's Learn JavaScript. We're in the array section. This is the pop method. Another array method, .pop, removes the last item of an array. Here we have const new item tracker, which is an array with item 0, item 1, and item 2. We then have this const removed, which is assigned new item tracker .pop. When we log new item tracker, our output is our array with item 0 and item 1, and when we log removed, we do get the item 2. In the example above, calling .pop on the new item tracker array removed item 2 from the end. .pop does not take any argument, it simply removes the last element of new item tracker. .pop returns the value of the last element. In the example, we store that returned value in a variable removed to be used for later. .pop is a method that mutates the initial array. When you need to mutate an array by removing the last element, use .pop. Our instructions say use the .pop method to remove the last element from chores. So if we zoom out, we can go here, chores.pop, and then we can run that. We passed. Step 2 says in a line after you call chores.pop, log chores to the console to make sure it worked. So when we log chores, it should not have map floor anymore. Let's do that here. Run it. We passed and we can see what it logged here. And we see map floor is not in the array anymore. What we're learning here is the .pop method, and we learn that it mutates our initial array and will return the value of the last element, removing that last element from the initial array. Removing that element from that array. If you're understanding that, you're understanding this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.